Hello, beautiful souls. I'm Krista Strayer, your devoted yoga health coach from Flourish Yoga. Today, we're delving into a transformative journey with this essential oil meditation to help you relieve stress and anxiety, allowing your inner radiance to shine. This journey of serenity uses a powerful tool. We're going to use the doTERRA Adaptiv essential oil. It's a beautiful blend to help you find peace in all parts of yourself. I often get asked about the best essential oils for meditation, and that's why I created a special guide. You can find it in the description below, and it's simply titled Best Essential Oils for Meditation. And it's my gift to you to enhance your practice. I'm excited to share the incredible benefits of doTERRA Adaptiv. This blend is specifically created to support a sense of calm and balance, making it perfect for our meditation today. If you don't have it, no worries. Just use your favorite calming essential oil for this. But this unique blend combines lavender, which is known for its calming properties, with that uplifting scent of wild orange and the softness of magnolia, along with several other oils to create a really harmonious aroma that promotes a sense of calm and balance. So I'm going to invite you to place a drop of the oil on your hands. Breathe it in, and then apply that excess to your heart center. And then let's get comfortable. Find a peaceful spot. Take that deep breath in and exhale out any tension. And as we dive into this meditation, just allow that soothing aroma of the doTERRA Adaptiv to guide you towards the sense of inner peace. Simply start by breathing in and breathing out. And as you focus on your breath, notice how it begins to slowly deepen. Breathe in and breathe out. Allow your shoulders to relax and release down away from your ears. Relax your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, and your forehead. Simply notice your breath. And bring your awareness to your heart center. And imagine the light within your heart. See it glowing and radiating outward. Notice how it expands and contracts in a fluid and gentle motion as you breathe in and breathe out. Your breath is fluid and flexible and fuels the light within your heart. With each breath, your light expands and contracts, sometimes reaching outward and sometimes shining inward. And allow this light to shine and radiate love inwards to all parts of you. To your physical body, your feet, legs, hips, belly, shoulders, your arms, your fingers, and even your head. Notice how the wave of light is healing and rejuvenating. And allow the soft light to shine inward on your emotional body, accepting and loving each thought, desire, and fear. All your thoughts and feelings are accepted and loved. The warmth of your light touches and accepts all parts of you as you begin to glow brightly too. As you breathe out, allow this light within to radiate outward. See it shine on all those you love and interact with. With each calm breath, you are quietly spreading this soft light out into the world around you, healing and loving each object and being it encounters. In this moment, feel connected to everything around you. All are bathed in a soft healing light. All are accepted, loved, and nourished. Feel compassion and love towards the world around you. to slowly allow your breath to deepen, coming back into your physical body again, noticing the in and out of your breath, feeling the solid nature of your legs and your feet, which ground and connect you to the earth. Notice the openness of your heart center, seeing once again that light that shines within no matter what. Notice your breath. Take a deep breath in and let it release with a sigh. Feeling relaxed and at ease, feeling that lingering warmth and love for all parts of you. You can slowly open your eyes and take a moment to simply be before continuing on with your day. And thank you so much for joining me on this journey to inner peace with our doTERRA Adaptiv blend today. And if you enjoyed the calming vibes and found value in this meditation, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. And by doing this, you not only support our flourishing community, but also ensure that you don't miss out on any more of this soul nourishing content. And don't forget my gift to you, the Best Essential Oils Meditation Guide, where I share my favorite oils and a few bonus meditations. So let's spread the love, subscribe and like, and until next time, stay grounded and stay blessed. Namaste, you beautiful soul.